Select a plane on the back side of the hook and create a sketch. Enabling the centered rectangle drawing tool, we click on the midpoint of the coordinates, drag out a rectangle, and click the mouse again to complete the drawing. Press the Escape key to close the rectangle drawing tool. Then, select two adjacent sides of the rectangle and use the Constrain Equal tool to constrain their lengths to be equal. Set the sides of the rectangle to 45 mm and finish the sketch. Generate a cube using the Pad tool, set its thickness to 2.4 mm in the Parameters panel, and check the reversed option. Select the back face of the model and create a sketch. To draw a rectangle again using the Rectangle Drawing tool, we directly input 42 mm as the rectangle width and press Enter to confirm. Then we input 42 mm again as the rectangle height and press Enter to confirm. Click on the Pocket tool, set the depth to 1 mm, and then click the OK button to confirm. Select one edge of the rectangle and activate the Fillet tool. Click the Select button in the Parameter panel and select the remaining 3 edges. Then click the OK button to confirm. Now that our hook is drawn, we can take a look at the finished model in perspective mode. Thanks for watching.